Hi guys, good morning. You may have noticed in our past reels that we were traveling. Yes, opo. Nag-travel po kami pero hindi po kami nagpunta sa Philippines. We went back to Idaho to visit the family and madami kaming appointments na naipon doon sa Idaho. Ayan din siguro yung isa sa mga disadvantages ng contract job or traveling. Kasi we still have our permanent address in Idaho. So, may mga appointments kami doon na dapat pa rin naming puntahan. Like yung appointment ko doon, I needed to prove my citizenship to Social Security. And then si Isaiah naman, may mga medical appointment siya na dapat doon gawin kasi nandun yung doctor niya. We spent a week there in Idaho. And yung schedule namin super packed. Every day nagta-travel kami. But we had a wonderful visit with my in-laws, and Nathaniel was really happy to see his nana and papa. And we're so grateful na natapos namin lahat ng appointments namin doon. We're also happy that we're back here in our caravan in Texas. And guess what? Ang dami kong labahan, guys. My laundry's piled up. So for sure, this is gonna be a busy week for us. Kasi ang dami namin gagawin. Liligpitin, lilinisin, tsaka yung mga na-stock na things sa to-do list namin, kailangan din namin gawin. Ayun lang guys. Thank you so much for supporting our content. And I hope you all are doing well. Bye!